Good morning traders, welcome to Epic Research. I am Vrinda Aditya. In the Agri Market last week we have seen a range bound market in pulses, chana and spices. Chana has seen a range bound movement in the price since few weeks due to a moderate demand, while moderate supply kept prices in a tight range, and it also failed to hold the higher levels. Chana futures traded flat for the week as the market assessed the damage caused by the unseasonal rains in the chana growing regions. Market participants expected high to moderate production loss due to the forecasts of the unseasonal rain in the northern and central regions of the India, and accompanied by the strong winds and the hailstorm. Earlier there were reports of damage in the Maharashtra region due to unseasonal rains, and therefore the government is creating buffer stock for pulses including chana so that they can control the prices in the near future. Imported chana has also hit the markets this month, and traders and stockists have buying up to their respective stock limits for the new season crop. For this week, we suggest a buy on dip strategy to follow, and we can take a long position if it breaks the 4570 levels, and it may see 4700 levels with a stop loss of 4160. Next, moving to the spices, first we have turmeric. Turmeric has seen a boundary movement for the week after a recent consolidation and rates taking the support of a strong level of 8750. It helped the falling prices but failed to hold on the higher levels. New turmeric supply reported in the domestic market pressurizes the prices at higher levels. A strong psychological resistance was seen near the 9,000 levels. The arrivals have improved this week at 8725 tons compared to 5151 tons last week across the country in the spot market. For this week, traders and investors can take short position below 8640, and we may see 8420 and 8200 levels in the coming trading session, keeping a stop loss of 9230. Next we have Jeera, which has seen a high volatility rate as the prices shot up again on the reports of crop damage in the Rajasthan and Gujarat areas due to recent rains. This has kept the sentiments firm. Prospects of more rainfall on the weekend in Rajasthan and Gujarat may propel the prices further, as rains during the harvesting stage is not a good indication for the crop. Rise in export is expected to grow as a new crop's arrival pour in the coming days. Technically, Jeera has been in continuous uptrend for past few days, and higher highs and higher lows on the daily chart can be seen. For this week, buying can be done on the levels of 15,400 with a target of 15,950 with a stop loss of 14,500. And if it breaks 14,500 levels, a short position can be taken at the target of 14,000 levels and the stop loss of 15,950. Next we have soybean. Soybean was in range bound movement on a weekly basis. Moderate recovery was noted from the lower levels, but it failed to hold the higher levels due to higher supplies and muted demand for crushing. On charts, a bullish flag is formed on the weekly and daily charts. For this week, we can go for a buying position with about 3900 on the closing basis, and we can see a levels of 4250 with a stop loss of 3770. That's it for the week. Thank you.